Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a tutorial for beginners on Contractor Foreman. Contractor Foreman is a construction management software designed to help contractors streamline their operations. It includes features for project management, scheduling, estimating, invoicing, and much more, making it an all-in-one tool for managing construction projects efficiently. Some of its key features are project management to track project progress, assign tasks, and manage deadlines, estimating and proposals to generate estimates and create professional proposals, scheduling to plan and manage work schedules, including staff and equipment, invoicing and payments to create invoices, track payments, and manage financials. Document management to store contracts, blueprints, and other files. Lastly is the field management, mobile access for on-site project updates. Now on getting started, first, you must create your account. Visit thecontractorforeman.com and sign up for an account. Choose the plan that best suits your business needs. There is a free trial options if you want to try it out first. Now set up your company profile. Navigate to the settings section. Add your company details including logo, address, and contact information. Set up tax rates and other default preferences for your projects. Next is to add projects. Go to Projects tab and click New Project. Enter project details like name, client, location, and start and dates. Add team members or subcontracts to the project. Next is to manage tasks and schedule. Use the task management tool to create tasks for team members. Set deadlines and assign resources to each task. Use the scheduling feature to plan project timelines and ensure resource availability. Generate estimates and proposals. Go to the estimating module, input material costs, labor rates, and other expenses. Create a detailed estimate and convert it into a proposal to share with the client. Next is to track time and expenses. Use the time tracking tool to log employee hours and track equipment usage and expenses to stay within budget. To handle invoicing and payments, go to Invoicing module to create invoices for completed work. Send invoices to clients via email and track payment statuses. Set up reminders for overdue payments. Lastly is to monitor progress with reports. Use built-in reports to monitor project progress, budgets, and team performance. Export reports for client meetings or internal reviews. And that's basically it.